Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can make extra profit using your existing products and doing some little tweaks here and there, and this way you can use your existing products and make a little more money. So this is the amount of leftover vinyls that usually we have, right? So you see these are all leftover vinyls. You'll never probably use this, and this is one thing that I thought how do I use this and still manage to sell all of these leftover vinyls, because they're all usually a waste, right? So I started selling these onesies. Now, why I personally love onesies is A, they're cheap and they're profitable. B is you can use the leftover onesies to sort of print individual designs and then make money out of it. So usually you would probably never use this part of a vinyl, right? When you're doing a A4 design, this is what you're left with. So I use all of these vinyls to sort of print on them and then make those extra money. And the second product, and which is my absolute favorite, and I don't know why too many people don't use it, is these shorts. So you could do a printing on them. I have a video about it, and this is a very easy way to make those extra profit using your existing leftover vinyls. And all you have to do is order some blanks. You could order it through my website or any other place. So you shouldn't always focus on just doing t-shirts. You could do onesies and use the leftover vinyls to sort of print on them. This is how you use your existing vinyl and existing leftover pieces and make money out of. At the end of the day, you have paid for this. So try and utilize this and see how you can make money out of this. Alright, if you've liked this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You can also DM me on Instagram for a free suggestion. I would be happy to help. So do check out my Instagram, guys.